Hey there, and welcome back to Basic Health Journey. Every day, we're exposed to toxins from processed foods, air pollution, household chemicals, and even stress. Over time, these toxins can build up in our bodies, leading to fatigue, digestive issues, skin problems, and a weakened immune system. In today's video, we're going over 7 natural and science-backed ways to detox your body so you can feel lighter, more energized, and healthier. Let's get started. Stay hydrated and drink detoxifying fluids. Water is the foundation of any detox process. It helps your kidneys flush out waste, supports digestion, and keeps your body functioning at its best. How to do it? Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Add lemon, cucumber, or ginger for extra detox benefits. Herbal teas like dandelion tea, green tea, and milk thistle tea are also great for supporting liver detoxification. Eat liver-supporting foods. Your liver is your body's main detox organ, breaking down toxins and eliminating them from your system. Certain foods help boost liver function and enhance detoxification. How to do it? Eat more cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cauliflower. These foods contain sulforaphane, a compound that supports liver detox enzymes. Additionally, beets, garlic, turmeric, and leafy greens are excellent for cleansing the liver. Increase fiber intake for digestive detox. A healthy gut is essential for effective detoxification. Fiber binds to toxins and waste products, helping remove them from the body through digestion. How to do it? Increase your intake of whole grains, chia seeds, flax seeds, apples, pears, and legumes. These foods help keep your digestive system moving and prevent toxin buildup in the colon. Sweat it out with exercise and sauna therapy. Sweating is a natural way for your body to release toxins through the skin. Exercise improves circulation, which helps transport waste out of the body. How to do it? Engage in 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily, such as brisk walking, cycling, or yoga. If possible, use a sauna or steam room a few times a week to enhance detoxification through sweating. Reduce processed foods and sugar. Refined sugars and processed foods contribute to inflammation and toxin buildup, making it harder for your body to detox naturally. How to do it? Cut back on processed snacks, sodas, artificial sweeteners, and fried foods. Instead, opt for whole, organic foods that provide essential nutrients to support detoxification. Get enough sleep to boost detoxification. Your body does most of its detox work while you sleep. During deep sleep, the brain's lymphatic system removes toxins, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. How to do it? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Create a bedtime routine by avoiding screens before bed, using blackout curtains, and keeping your bedroom cool and dark. Support your lymphatic system with dry brushing and massage. Your lymphatic system helps remove toxins, but unlike the circulatory system, it doesn't have a pump. Movement and massage help stimulate lymph flow and improve detoxification. How to do it? Try dry brushing before showering using a natural bristle brush. Massage the skin in circular motions towards the heart. Lymphatic drainage massage is another great way to boost detox. And there you have it, 7 natural ways to detox your body and feel your best. Detoxing isn't about extreme diets. It's about supporting your body's natural ability to cleanse itself through hydration, nutrition, movement, and sleep. Stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips.